Hello everyone, welcome to the 72 Dragons Health Channel. I am Dr. Pietro Aparicio. We are reporting on the World Health Assembly 2024's latest advancements in global health. This year's theme is All for Health and Health for All. Today, we will discuss the role of digital public health infrastructure in global health. According to the World Health Organization, digital technologies are now an integral part of daily life. Yet, their potential to improve global health remains largely untapped. The World Health Organization is harnessing these technologies to accelerate health and well-being worldwide. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA), digital health tools are revolutionizing healthcare by providing healthcare workers with comprehensive patient data and giving patients greater control over their health. These technologies enhance medical outcomes and efficiency, empower consumers to make informed health decisions, facilitate prevention, early diagnosis, and chronic disease management. Digital health technologies such as smartphones, social networks, and internet applications are transforming communication, health monitoring, and information access by reducing inefficiencies, improving access, cutting costs, increasing quality, and personalizing medicine. At the World Health Assembly 2024, the focus on digital health marks a crucial step in global public health advancements. Recognizing the transformative potential of digital technologies, the World Health Assembly is prioritizing the integration of digital public infrastructure to address social determinants of health. This initiative aims to bridge gaps in healthcare access, improving data-driven decision-making, and enhance the delivery of essential health services. At the 77th World Health Assembly, India showcased the transformative impact of digital tools and services on healthcare within the nation. The side event, titled Digital Health: Leveraging Digital Public Infrastructure for Addressing Social Determinants of Health, hosted by Australia, India, Japan, and the US, underscored the pivotal role of digital health in strengthening global public health efforts. With a focus on leveraging digital public infrastructure, the event aimed to address social determinants of health and advance the achievement of sustainable development goals. The significance of digital health is strengthening global public health cannot be overstated. As we continue to discuss the highlights of the World Health Assembly in the coming days, let us further explore the promising advancements in collaborative efforts shaping the future of healthcare on a global scale. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable information. Thanks for watching.